Hello. Today I want to show you something that could be one of the most important apps you ever put on your iPhone. It is called MediSafe, and it is completely free. MediSafe will remind you exactly when to take each medication, tell you which pills to take, and even warn you if two of your medications should not be taken together. Like having a pharmacist in your pocket. First, find the blue App Store icon on your iPhone and tap on it. Type MEDISAFE in the search bar. You will see it with the blue and white icon and over 98,000 five-star reviews. Tap Get to download it. It is completely free. Now I know some of you may wonder, is this app safe? Absolutely yes. Your information is completely private. Your doctor cannot see it unless you choose to share it yourself. Tap the big green plus button and start typing the name of your medication. MediSafe knows thousands of medications. Just type the name and it will appear. Then choose the form, tablet, capsule, and so on. Now tell the app when you take this medication. Tap, morning, afternoon, evening, or bedtime. You can even set the exact hour by tapping the clock. Once you save your medication, MediSafe will send you a reminder like this one right to your iPhone screen. You will hear a sound and see exactly which pill to take. You will never forget again. And here is a wonderful bonus. MediSafe also lets you track your weight, blood pressure, and pain levels all in one place. You can show this to your doctor at your next visit. One more amazing feature. You can add a family member as your med friend. They will receive a gentle notification if you miss a medication. This gives your whole family peace of mind, and it gives you peace of mind too.
I still forget my glasses, but not my pills. You're annoying phone, but you're useful.
That is it. You have just set up one of the most helpful apps available for seniors, completely free. You are doing so wonderfully. If this video helped you, please share it with a friend who might need it. And subscribe for more free iPhone tips every week. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself.